The great fun about weightlessness is that everything floats. The great danger is that everything floats. You can inhale stuff that would fall to the floor on Earth. What's the solution? Box it up. Hi, I'm Dave Dooling, Education Director at the New Mexico Museum of Space History. Today I will show you how to build a working model of a glove box used aboard the Space Shuttle. We'll build it from a copy paper box and other items that are easy to obtain, and it will look like this. You need these items: copy paper box with lid, plastic kitchen wrap, 2 solo plastic cups, 2 dish gloves, a kitchen garbage bag, clear tape, duct tape, scissors, pencil, ruler. Okay, we're not talking about a box for gloves and other stuff in your car, but a specialized box with gloves to help you work safely on hazardous materials. NASA has used large glove boxes since 1969 when Apollo 11 brought the first lunar samples back to Earth. Even after we concluded that the moon has no life, we still quarantine lunar samples so earthly materials don't contaminate our results. More recently, you may have seen glove boxes in the news as researchers study the COVID-19 virus and other diseases. NASA first used glove boxes aboard Space Shuttle and Space Lab in the 1990s. Your mock-up is based on that design. The mid-deck glove box was designed to fit in the same place as lockers on Shuttle and then on science racks on Space Lab. It set the stage for more complex glove boxes aboard International Space Station. The Microgravity Sciences glove box is much larger, more than 3 feet wide. It was so successful that NASA added a new Life Sciences glove box that lets 2 astronauts work at the same time. They host many types of experiments, studying how materials solidify or boil or burn in space. Other work might involve handling biological specimens or assembling equipment that you just don't want floating away. If anything goes wrong, the problem stays in the box. Your glove box depicts many of the features of the ones used on Shuttle. It shows filters that clean the air before it leaves the box and a viewport so you can see what you are doing. Ready to start? Print the PDF with the images of the box exterior and interior. These came from a NASA poster that was sent to teachers. It's out of print, so we scanned it in pieces for you. Cut out pages 2 through 9. Cut out the white circles on pages 7 and 8. Cut pages 6 through 9 along the white line. The upper parts go on the box lid, and the lower parts go on the box. Position the 2 sheets with the glove openings on the box and trace the circles onto the cardboard. Score the circle slowly with the tip of the scissors or other sharp object. Repeat a couple of times to get a deep score, then saw open with a serrated knife or box cutter. Always work slowly and carefully with sharp objects. Next, cut the box lid. Use the ruler to draw a rectangle inside the lid, then score and cut as you did for the circles. Now comes the tricky part: taping the plastic wrap to the lid. Tape one end of the wrap to the table. Pull a 30-inch length across the table and tape down before cutting the end. Place the box lid face down on the wrap. Pull up one end, wrap over the edge of the box, and tape in place. Release the opposite end of the wrap, pull snug, and tape in place. Tape the edges of the wrap atop the lid. Tape the printouts to the inside and outside of the box. Cut the 2 solo cups as indicated in the drawing. Cut 2 12-inch squares from the garbage bag and make a tube from each. Tape one end of a tube to a solo cup and the other to a glove. This will give you plenty of arm length to work inside the box. Insert the glove assemblies into the holes and tape to the box. You now have a glove box ready to do experiments. Well, almost. Look a little dark inside? We didn't include the lights because there are so many options. You could use a small LED flashlight from a keyring, or use the light on a cell phone camera. Place the cell phone on the box and live stream activities to your friends and let them act as payload control. What to do? Experiment. Try assembling some Legos while wearing the gloves, or just mixing some food coloring in water. It can be tricky working inside a confined space. Hang on to the glove box. we'll have more activities where thinking inside the box is the right thing to do. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more fun, hands-on activities in Virtual Rocketeer Academy.